Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take you through the extreme makeover of our backyard over a period of 1 year and 8 months. There's been a drastic change since we started, and this is how it looked on 1st March 2020. Here what you see is a weed that is spread all over the area. So our first step was to spray some strong weedicides to get rid of these invasive weeds. And this is how it looked after 14 days when all the weeds had dried up and we had made separate piles to put them in green bin in installments, because it was so much that it can't go in the green bin at once. And it's in April 2020 when we brought some trees from Bunnings to put in the ground. We brought in total 6 fruit trees at that time. We dig some big holes in the ground to put these trees in, 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. Now, while digging the holes, we found that it was all clay deep down. So we had to add some clay breaking solution in these holes before planting these trees. And we did it to protect the roots of trees from getting rotten by accumulation of water over this clay soil. It's 29th of August 2020 today, and as you can see, we have put a lot of work in the backyard. We have painted our fence white. And as you can notice, we have built raised garden bed on all the 3 sides. In October 2020, we laid some grass seeds which are growing pretty good, and on one side we have built a shed which was a DIY project. In March this year, we got concrete done in some of the areas to give it a clean look. And this is how our backyard look now. Hope you liked the process of this extreme transformation of our backyard. See you in the next video.